Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding Agile. In this video, we will dive deep into the Agile methodology, breaking down its core concepts, principles, and practices to help you gain a solid understanding of Agile development. Whether you're new to Agile or looking to refine your skills, this video is perfect for you. What is Agile? Agile is an iterative and flexible approach to software development and project management. It prioritizes customer collaboration, flexible response to change, and delivering working software frequently. Unlike traditional methods, Agile focuses on continuous improvement, adaptability, and delivering value quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will explore what Agile is and why it's become a popular methodology for teams across various industries, the history of Agile, including the Agile Manifesto and the values and principles it promotes, the core Agile methodologies such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and Extreme Programming, XP, how Agile works in practice, including roles, ceremonies, and artifacts that define Agile teams. The Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto consists of 12 principles and 4 core values that guide Agile development. These principles emphasize customer satisfaction, teamwork, and working solutions over rigid documentation. In this video, we'll break down each value and principle, helping you understand how they shape the Agile framework. Agile methodologies and frameworks. Agile encompasses a range of methodologies that can be adapted to suit different project needs. Some of the most common Agile frameworks are Scrum. This is the most popular Agile framework, focusing on iterative development through sprints and regular team collaboration. Kanban, a visual framework that helps teams manage work by using boards to track tasks. Lean focuses on reducing waste and increasing value for the customer by streamlining processes. Extreme Programming, XP focuses on technical excellence and improving software quality through practices like pair programming and test-driven development, TDD. The Agile Life Cycle. The Agile Life Cycle consists of several stages, including concept, identifying the project vision and goals, inception, initial planning and team formation, iteration, creating the product in short, focused cycles, sprints, release, deploying a functional product to the user, review, gathering feedback to improve the product in future iterations. This iterative process allows teams to respond to changing requirements quickly, ensuring that the final product better meets customer needs. Roles in Agile teams. Agile teams are typically cross-functional, meaning each member brings a different skill set to the table. Some key roles include product owner, the representative of the customer or stakeholder who is responsible for defining the product features and ensuring the team delivers value. Scrum Master, the facilitator who ensures the Agile process is being followed and removes any obstacles the team may face. Development Team, the group responsible for creating the product and delivering working software at the end of each iteration. Agile Ceremonies. The following ceremonies are used to ensure that the Agile process runs smoothly. Sprint Planning. Teams define the work to be completed during the sprint. Daily Stand-ups. A quick daily meeting where team members discuss their progress, obstacles, and plans for the day. Sprint Review. A demonstration of the work completed during the sprint. Sprint Retrospective. A meeting where the team reflects on the sprint and identifies areas for improvement. Agile Artifacts. Agile teams use various artifacts to track progress and ensure that the project is on the right track. Some of the key artifacts include Product backlog, a prioritized list of features and requirements that need to be developed. Sprint backlog, a list of tasks that the team aims to complete during a sprint increment, the working software that is delivered at the end of a sprint, which adds value to the product. Benefits of Agile. Adopting Agile can provide numerous benefits for teams and organizations, including faster delivery. By breaking down work into smaller iterations, teams can deliver products more frequently. Improved collaboration. Agile encourages open communication and collaboration between team members and stakeholders. Higher customer satisfaction. Agile focuses on customer needs and allows for regular feedback to ensure the product aligns with customer expectations. Increased flexibility. Agile allows teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements, which is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Challenges in Agile. While Agile has many benefits, there are also challenges to consider, such as resistance to change. Some team members or stakeholders may be resistant to Agile practices, especially if they're used to traditional methodologies. Maintaining discipline. Agile requires teams to stay focused and disciplined, which can be difficult if they're not fully committed to the process. Balancing flexibility and structure. Agile offers flexibility, but it also requires structure. Striking the right balance can be challenging for some teams. Agile in different industries. Though Agile originated in software development, its principles have been successfully applied to other industries, such as marketing. Agile marketing focuses on iterative campaigns and continuous testing to improve results. HR. Agile HR emphasizes flexibility and collaboration in managing talent and employee engagement. Manufacturing. Lean and Agile principles are used in manufacturing to reduce waste and improve productivity. Agile tools. There are various tools available to help Agile teams manage their projects, track progress, and collaborate effectively. Some popular Agile tools include Jira, a popular project management tool used for issue tracking and sprint planning. Trello, a visual tool for organizing tasks using boards and lists. Asana, a task management tool that helps teams track and prioritize work. Agile versus Waterfall. Key differences. Agile and Waterfall are two different project management methodologies. Waterfall is a linear, sequential approach, while Agile is iterative and flexible. We will compare both methods to help you understand when to use Agile versus Waterfall and the pros and cons of each. Agile best practices. To maximize the benefits of Agile, it's important to follow best practices such as clear communication. Keep communication open and transparent within the team and with stakeholders. Continuous improvement. Regularly reflect on your process and look for ways to improve. Customer feedback. Involve customers throughout the process to ensure the product meets their needs. Small, incremental releases. Deliver small chunks of functionality frequently to gather feedback and make improvements. Is Agile right for your organization? Adopting Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It works best for projects that require flexibility and frequent changes. However, Agile may not be suitable for every type of project, especially those with fixed requirements or rigid deadlines. This video will help you assess whether Agile is the right approach for your organization and team. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding Agile is crucial for teams and organizations aiming to improve efficiency, collaboration, and product delivery. By adopting Agile, you'll be better equipped to adapt to change, deliver high-quality products, and meet customer needs. If you're interested in learning more about Agile, consider checking out our other related videos on Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming, XP. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials and tips on Agile best practices, tools,